Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to track your package on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders right here. Now we want to find order that you want to track and press button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now your screen should look something similar to what I have on my screen. This is screenshot of tracking information page. So here you can see your estimated delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates. So for example, my screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but yours can say something like shipped, ready for delivery, arrived at sorting center, etc. It all depends on at which exactly stage your package is. But for example, if you don't like to use this built-in tracker inside the AliExpress application, you can copy your tracking number by using this copy button and pasting it into universal tracker. That is name is 17 track. This is tracker that AliExpress suggests me to use, but actually it doesn't really matter which exactly tracker you use because they all work according to similar principles. So you can just in your browser type package tracker and use whatever that you want to. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.